Hi everybody, it's me again, back with another video. And this video will tell you how to use Zoom on your cell phone. I did a video before of how to use Zoom on a computer or a laptop. This video will show you how to use the controls on your cell phone. All right, let's begin. First of all, you need an invitation from your instructor, or you need a link to get to the correct meeting, right? So I'm going to share my phone. First, you are going to go to the Play Store and you need to download the Zoom app. So in your search, you're going to type Zoom, Z-O-O-M. Okay, and then I already have it installed, but you would click install. I'm going to click update here, the Z for Zoom. It's a blue button. Okay, they will ask you to sign in, sign up, or join a meeting. Sign in if you already have an account. Sign up if you don't have an account, or join a meeting if you have the link from your school or teacher. Okay, so let me see what I got here. I'm going to go with sign in because I already have an account. Ask you for your password. Yeah. So you tap the screen and a menu will open at the bottom. Okay. On the left, tap the screen. You will see the mute and unmute button. So if you want to speak, you do unmute. See the video button to turn your camera on and off. All right. Next button is participants button. Participants means the people in the meeting, the teacher, and all the students. Those are the participants. So you'll see the name of the people in the meeting. So the teacher is in the meeting, and then all the other students will be in the meeting also. Pull that down a bit. It says participants, 2 people right now. So as a student, you can rename yourself. There is a button that says rename. Just press that. And so if you need to rename yourself, just click on your name in the participants. And then you have 2 controls. You have rename. I can change my name to student 2 if I want. And OK. Now it says student 2. The other thing you can do when you press participants is raise your hand. So sometimes students want to ask a question or they want to answer a question or volunteer to read in the class. And the way to let the teacher know that is to raise your hand, not to call out. And so when you finish asking your question or you finished reading, you can press lower hand. All right, next up is the chat. See that button that says chat? Conversations will be in the chat, right? And you can send a message to everyone in the class. Good evening or good morning or whatever. And then you press the little airplane to send the message, whatever the message is. And then it appears in the chat. Decide if you want to send that message to everyone or just the teacher or Just remember that everyone can see your messages. I ask that at the beginning of class, everyone type their name in the chat at the beginning of class, just to let me know you're here. Another thing you can do is reactions. Reactions like thumbs up. All right, the next button is the share button. The share button is only for the intermediate class, only when we have groups. And maybe I will give you some work to do, some questions, some, I don't know, some problems to work on. And if you want to share the screen, like maybe you have a picture on your phone or something you want to share, you press the share button. And it says, this will stop others' screen sharing. Do you want to continue? You click OK. And where do you want to get the picture from? You want to get the picture from. All right, I think that is all. Just a quick video showing you the basic controls for Zoom on your phone. All right, until next time, bye.